Hi friends, now we have Lenovo ThinkPad P14s laptop. In the laptop, there is a problem with the fan. Because of this, I am going to remove the panel. I will show you how to remove the panel and what are the components will be there inside. I will show you. First, you remove all the screws one by one. Smoothly remove the panel. Like this, you need to remove. And this is the battery. The battery model number is L18L3P73. This is the battery model number. And this is the fan, this is the speaker, and this is the SSD card. It is before doing anything in the laptop, first you disconnect the battery. Means you can disconnect the connector also. I will show you how to remove this, how to disconnect the battery. I will show you. This is the battery connector. You need to remove this. Okay, like this you need to remove. Thank you.